The HPC50 series can replace multiple pressure instruments with a single handheld device. It includes a variety of pressure options to fit your specific application. Read gauge pressure from vacuum to 10,000 psi or 700 bar, barometric pressure, absolute pressure, and even differential pressure in a single instrument. Similar to the Envision, the HPC50 series differential mode uses two sensors to display safe, high-accuracy differential pressure with static pressures up to 10,000 psi. In this example, both P1 and P2 are connected to the same pressure. A unique Tear DP mode allows you to remove this difference by pressing the differential function button. This increases the accuracy of your DP measurement. Because of the split display, both static pressures can also be viewed at the same time.